Guys, this is a Redmi A5. You can see new Redmi A5. So the customer just forgot his password. We are trying to see too many attempts, so we're about to do the hard reset on this particular phone. So let me just switch it off. Switch it off. Good. So at this point, so for us to do this hard reset for this Redmi A5, so we use the volume up and the power key at the same time. Volume up, power key. Hope you're following, guys. Volume up, power key. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also like and share this video. So this video is just to help you see how you can hard reset Redmi A5. So remember, volume up and power key. Volume up at the same time. Alright, let's go. And when the logo shows, you move your hand from the power key and hold on to the volume up key. See, this is it. See, it has appeared. So now just for us to screw down, use the volume down to navigate. Screw down. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing, guys. Screw down. Screw down, sorry. Alright, let's move to down to the last one, which is wipe data. Then use the power key to OK it. Good. Then use the volume down to navigate. Okay. Use the power key. Hope you are seeing it, guys. So you see, data wipe complete. So at this point, just click on reboot system now. So let's wait for it to boot. You can see it's booting. So just wait for it. Just wait for it. Tech work repair. Alright. See? So here it is. So this is it. So click on start. So it's on Nigeria already. So just click on set region. So let's see if it's going to ask us for Africa. Okay, since the person has not logged in Gmail on this particular phone, so alright, skip, skip, okay, so let's connect to Wi-Fi.